Hey, if I wanted to clean the bottom of this pan, which way would you prefer? You could do it by hand, takes a lot of effort, or you could use an electric spin scrubber and make it 100 times easier. But let me just give you a quick look at the unit itself. I've tested quite a few of these and used quite a few over the years. This one has a real stout, it's like a bigger profile, like handle to it. And look at this, it is adjustable. So this is great for two reasons. One, you could go up high and scrub a wall, a cabinet, a corner, whatever you want to do. Okay, so you've got that capability. Or I can go ahead and reach down to the ground without having to bend over. This here is your handle. This has the power in it. So you need to connect that right here. Now I have a shorter version without the extended handle. So they give you all the brushes that you're going to need to clean just about any surface. Okay, we got corner brushes. These are nylon. We got a flat brush. We've got kind of this globe. We've got two of these scouring pads, and then we've got these sponges. So we're gonna do just a strip right down the middle. I don't wanna do the whole thing because I want you to kind of see the power here. Kind of put it on its edge. Let's go ahead and rinse it. Give it a quick little dry right here. It's a lot of effort. The spin scrubber just does all the work for me. Right? Let's finish this. Perfect time to show you how to charge this. It did die on me. I hadn't really charged it at all, but you just plug the charger in, right? They give you the little charger here. It's got like a 6 or 7 foot length cord on it. And all you're gonna do is just put it right here in the end. And when you plug in, you'll see it just fires up red. And when that's fully charged, it's gonna go ahead and turn green. So here's your corner brush. You just pop that on like that. Go ahead and fire it up. And then I can stand back here, and this is going to be perfect for getting any corner, whether that's on a countertop or a black backsplash, inside of a cabinet, inside of a windowsill, down on a baseboard. So that's what that's for. And again, we do have this pivoting head, so we can do like a little 45-degree pivot if we want, or we can go straight. I have this extended all the way out. I do not have to bend over, and I can go ahead and use this as a scrub brush on the floor. If you want to make cleaning and scrubbing easier, definitely check this out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.